the Iceland horses, a love like from above. Being close to you means so much to me. All the trust and faith in you will last eternally. Celebrate our lifetime, come together and be riding like the wind. We're gonna have a good time with our horses. We do the magic five and sing a hey, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. We do the magic five and sing a hey, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. And we do the magic five. In the dawn of day, right into the sun, enjoying our freedom until the day is done. The center of our lives, the big community, the love to our horses, so strong, will last eternally.